Hello, I'm Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone. Yes, it's me again, Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. I am holding me some edamame because today I am going to make you some spring roll edamame with some crab meat. Alright, so first thing first, I'm gonna take out all the seed from our soybean right over here. Alright, so after I had peeled all our edamame soybean here, I have enough good 6 ounces of the soybeans. Now I'm gonna show you the rest of the ingredients that's gonna follow with our spring roll. This is about a cup of crab meat, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, a tablespoon of ground garlic, half a teaspoon of some poppy seeds. This is really good for you. An ounce of dry celery flakes, and let's not forget the prepared fish sauce and some chopped onions. This is about 4 ounces of chopped onions, and for flavoring we're going to have to use ground black pepper and also some Himalayan salt. Let's start frying our edamame. Put our pan in medium-high heat. I would say 2 to 4 minutes is good enough. I just want to see a little bit of brown. Now time to add our onions. And now we are just waiting for our onions to be cooked just a little bit more. Now after cooking the onion for 3 minutes, I'm gonna add the ground garlic, dry celery here, our poppy seed, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and let's add our prepared fish sauce. Let this be cooked for 4 minutes, and we're gonna add our crab meat. What's good about this is that it's a simple recipe. The flavor on this spring roll is very different. To add our yellow mustard already. I'm just gonna let this set for a while. You do not want to wrap this when it's super hot, so we're gonna let it set. Look at this, doesn't this look fantastic? As you can see, I have me some egg roll wrap here. At this point, I am going to cut this a diamond cut like so. Half of the piece. Put our patty just like that, as you can see, and cover it like so, like you're making a jacket. And for our paste, we are just going to use regular water. There you go, and we start rolling it. Doesn't this look fantastic? Yes, it does. Make sure you want to give a space when you're frying. We're gonna let that cook for about 4 minutes. And wait for another 2-3 minutes. Look at this. Doesn't this look so wonderful and great? Please share this to your families and your loved ones. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm your chef, Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. I will see you guys again. Enjoy! What? Okay. What? Okay, look. So after taking off all this, taking